Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a fair price. Features also include keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, FWD. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.